So here on my screen you can see I have made $14,000 in this week, and then previous week $7,600. Keep in mind this is a new Clickbank offer that I was testing out with Facebook ads, and you can see over here, right, just today over here $6,345, and then $3,450, as you can see, right, all these sales that are coming in every single day. So all this is possible once you understand how positioning works, how to structure Facebook ads, how to structure the ad images, what color to use, and so on and so forth, right? So this is all important if you want this kind of results. Now, if you're watching this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So somewhere above you will see to subscribe, and you can like this video, okay? Share it, and if you have any questions regards to Clickbank, affiliate marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, right? Let me know and I'll personally help you to start generating results.